Okay, let's get the hardest questline out of the way, shall we? If you want to spawn. Oh, I should have teleport moonglade as well. Where is it? There it is. Ah, there you are.
It is fortunate I found you. Your presence is requested at Moonglade. Always temper your strength with wisdom.
Totem. My Cronodan, your presence is requested at Moonglade at once. We are preparing for a ritual of great importance that will require your assistance. I will meet you there, so please come with haste.
I'll meet you there as soon as you conclude your business in Dalaran.
Ah, I'm gonna get there first. There we are. More rune totem. I don't know much about him or Rune Totem, but he was part of the Firelands campaign in patch 4.2. He was killed by Layara, but he was eventually brought back to life and helped to fight against Layara again. And then if you do Heroic Ragnar's, he would also help you along with Cenarius and Malfurion Stormrage. He is also, I think he's the most powerful druid ever, next to Malfurion Stormrage. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know much about him.
We serve the land.
I kind of don't know. Please, you came on such short notice. We have a great undertaking here in the Moonglade that is about to begin. One in which you will play a key role. Oh, I can't read. Beating the Legion requires us to strike quickly and unexpectedly. We have discovered a dreamway by which we can travel through the Emerald Dream itself. Though only a short walk to the dream, it will allow us to cross vast distances on Azeroth and even access the ancient homeland of all druids, Valshara. Malfurion is preparing the ritual to open the dreamway. I need you to summon Zentabra and Naralex to his side. Only by combining our efforts can we hope to succeed.
Zentabra's camp is on the western shore of the lake. Naralex was camped on the eastern shore, but he's prone to wandering off. So keep your eyes and ears open.
Cool. I do want to, however, check where the Cenarius fight is, whereabouts it is. Because in the Emerald Nightmare, this is basically where you fight Cenarius, like as in his corrupted form. So there'll be a giant whirlpool here that will lead you into the Rift of Oln, and eventually to Xavius. Zentabra, I think I have come across her once. I'm not sure if she was part of the Druid campaign in the Western Plaguelands, or she was part in the Firelands
you not be coming to
Zentabra
well. For some fish. What you be wanting?
You been needing something? Malfurion is ready to begin. He asks that you head to the ritual site.
Walk in the path of the Lord. Time to see if we can really be making this happen. This gonna be needing everything we have to give and more. The spirits, they be silent to me on this. That mean they not opposed to it either. Very well. I'll meet you at the ritual.
Narlex, however, we do know a bit about him. He was located in the Wailing Caverns. He was also a quest giver in the Southern Barrens. He basically formed his own little school of druids, but then some of them turned to the Nightmare, like Spossa's Lady, Anaconda, King Supendrix, Lord Cobran, and I forgot the other one. But yeah, they turned against him. They turned into the Nightmare, and yeah, his other disciples who didn't turn to the Nightmare helped him wake him up from the Emerald Nightmare.
The balance must be restored.
Or the Emerald Dream, whatever.
Elun's light watch over you. I'm awake. Definitely not sleeping. I was just resting my eyes. Is it time for the ritual to begin? Very well. I'll meet you there.
What? Wait. Did you just turn into a moose? Oh, that is so cool. Is our new travel form going to be a moose? I would love that. I'd love that a lot. I'd also love to go into the Emerald Nightmare to see what all the corrupted visions are like. So you'll fight Ursok in the corrupted form of Grizzly Hills. You'll fight Alethea Renferal, I think that's how you pronounce her name, and Mulgore. You'll fight Cenarius in the corrupted vision of Moonglade, and what's the other one? Il'gynoth in the corrupted vision of Ongoro Crater.
Winds guide you.
So I can't wait to see how that turns out. Good, soon the ritual will be ready to begin. The preparations for the ritual are now complete. Come with me, my Conodon, I will guide you to the ceremony.
Farewell. Malfurion waits for you by the Barrow Dens to the east. Follow me.
Okay.
The Legion's arrival has thrown our world out of balance. I've sensed great unrest within the Emerald Dream. There are powerful druids in Val-Shara who grew under Cenarius' tutelage after the Great Sundering.
Yeah, like, Rulus Greathoof? I don't know how to say his first name,
Their
but his last
knowledge
name
of
is Greathoof.
druidism is ancient and unparalleled. Having their might on our side is essential if we are to stop the Legion.
Keeper That's the, son of Cenarius, isn't it?
Greetings to you both.
Oh,
The tremors from
hello.
the Emerald Dream grow more potent. We must begin the ritual at once.
Has your model been changed?
The ritual will focus our energy into a portal at the center of the structure. We must keep it stable. Prepare yourselves. Step into the circle when you are ready.
Oh god, it is properly.
Excellent. The path is taking form. It grows more stable by the moment.
Yeah, we did it.
The Dreamway is ready. Good work, everyone. How may I aid you?
You could aid me by getting my artifact quicker for me. Well done, my Conodon. Now the path is open and we begin our journey to Val-Shara. The portal to the Dreamway is open, and it is here where our paths must part. The Moonglade remains vulnerable to the attacks of the Burning Legion, and I must ensure it is well defended. I'm entrusting you with the mission to Val-Shara, my Conodon. Archdruid Greathoof is the leader of the Druids there. He is wise in the old ways and will provide us invaluable assistance. The dream can be dangerous, so I'll send Keeper Rembulos to guide you. Meet with him
May
upon
the
the other
winds
side.
be at your back.
When you're ready, step through the portal into the Dreamway. I'll meet you on the other side. Oh, I like that. Now this is where you'll fight the
We've
Dragons of
arrived.
Nightmare.
Come, we must find the Druids of Val-Shara and request their aid.
Straight up. If you wanna... Yeah, there we go. Wait for me. Oh wait, what's that?
No!
Nightmare
The
vines.
nightmare! In this part of the dream? How is it possible? I will cleanse these nightmare vines from our path. Go forth and destroy the source of the corruption that spawned them.
Oh, that actually moves. Damn. Alright. Ah, sunfire actually spreads. Just let them die. Yeah, just so you know, I am not an expert healer, so this may be a bit difficult, but I have had a bit of practice. So yeah, but I am a healer, so that means I won't be able to defeat things as quick.
I don't have a target.
Oh. Hello? Are you kidding me? How could you see me? Oh yeah, it does mean got that again. Some of the doors. Where were we? Yeah, destroying the Nightmare Blight. I'm just gonna put this down. This is gonna take a while. What?
Excellent work. Even now, the foul creep of the nightmare has begun to recede. The way is clear. Come, let us continue to our destination.
Oh. There it is.
An ancient magic protects the Dream Grove. Here, all brothers and sisters of the wilds will find sanctuary. We must find the Druids of Valshara and request their aid.
Hey, where'd you go? Oh, whatever.
And ready the weapons of old for war.
Sorry about that.
The weapons of old. Yes, they would help indeed.
Rens are
But
great.
they are beyond our ability to wield.
There is no one better suited for this task than this champion.
Very well. Your task will not be easy, but I shall do all that I can to aid you.
Oh, this is cool. It's got statues of each
We
druid's
are
pick.
nature's guardians.
You did well to navigate through the Emerald Dream to get to this place. Still, there are times when you might wish to return here, but bit more quickly. This spell will guide you. Travelling the Dreamway is no small feat in itself, but it pales to the tasks ahead. I agree with Hipporemulos. To confront the Legion, to defeat the Legion, we will need weapons of legendary power. Among the history of our kind, there have been 4 weapons of renown. Tell me, which weapon would you pursue first?
May your trail be clear.
I would like restoration, please. Thousands of years ago, Aviana gifted the Druids, first Druids, a branch from the mother tree Ganea, which you can see in Darkheart Thicket when you fight Archdruid Galadius. I think that's how you say his name. It is said that the staff aids its wielder in achieving perfect harmony with nature, allowing them to tap into deeply powerful restorative spells. The branch is kept at a shrine beneath the roots of Shaladrasil, but contact has recently been lost with the Druids there. Well, that's where the heart of corruption is here.
Nature's gifts are everywhere.
Many of our order still remember when Shaladrasil first took root. We've watched it grow over the ages until it towered over this vale. We have been blessed to live under the shade of its branches for so long. Excellent choice. With the power of that weapon in your hands, we will be able to bring balance back to Azeroth.
Go
May
with
Elune guide
Cenarius'
your path.
blessings.
My vigil is eternal.
It would seem we are fortunate that you seek Ganea this day. Micronodon. The Dryad Mylone arrived not long ago from the sacred shrine where the staff has been guarded for many centuries. Few are privy to its hidden location within the roots of Shaladrasil, but you have certainly earned the right. Speak with Mylone when you are ready to depart. I saw her last just east up of here.
Good
Here
luck.
on the hill. Oh, whatever, I don't even care. It's a Tuesday. Ugh.
Oh, raspberries! I don't know what to do. Yes.
Oh, she said exactly what the text said.
Bye.
Why are you so sad? Ganea is Mylone wipes her eyes, sniffling. Corrupted! The nightmare has risen from the depths of the dream. It all happened so fast. I was able to secret the staff here, though the dream before it fell fully. It rests for now, but I fear we don't have much time. We must prepare to retrieve Ganea from the dream. Draw water from the sacred moonwell on the northern edge of the grove to obtain its ancient blessing. Quickly, every moment is precious.
Bye. We can do this. Gahanir is counting on us.
Couple of moonwell, huh? Right. Welcome, cheers with me. I watched many of your kind walk part of life, but none who carry themselves with a stride such as yours. I look forward to telling your story. I need your blessings that I may enter your dream. Of course you may. That pulls you towards the dream with such feather, Shando. Ganea has been touched by the nightmare. Ganea is in danger, then there is no time to waste. Should use a mount this time.
Don't worry. Our hero will fix this. Just you wait.
Are you ready? There was still hope.
Can I help you?
I'm afraid I can't really help you actually enter the Emerald Dream. We Dryads merely shift our bodies between the planes. That's okay though, no Alex is offered to help. Go to the very bottom of Tell undo Baradin. Now Alex is already there setting things up for you.
Oh, be careful. It isn't safe in the dream right now.
Blah, blah. Tell undo Baradins. Alright now, Alex, where are you? Oh, there's another beard statue.
I'm afraid the dream is in a worse state than we thought.
Oh? My preparations are complete. Are you prepared to enter the
My
dream?
life for Kalimdor.
This bed will be yours for the deep slumber that will usher you into the dream. Once you are comfortable, drink of the moon water you brought, and I will guide you from there. Quickly now, with every passing moment, Ganea slips further into
Goodbye.
darkness.
You still have the moon water, yes? Good, good. Then you are ready. Now just relax and focus your mind on the dream. I will guide your spirit from here. Can you hear me? Gahanir rests at the circle of spirits above, but it oozes nightmare into the barrow den. You must hurry before you succumb to the corruption.
Someone! Anyone! I can't escape these roofs!
I've been expecting you. Where's Queen's? Oh, there we are.
How may I aid you?
Oh, I thought I was done for. I'd prefer to avoid these horrors. Let's sneak past them.
Wait, hang on. I'll just get my...
The path is blocked. I think I can clear it out. That did it. You go on ahead. I'll deal with things down here.
Are you all right? I think you're past the worst of it. You're nearly there. Just stay focused.
Oh boy. Okay, well... I think we made it out.
Please help. I can't hold the corruption back much longer. I would have surely been overwhelmed if you had not arrived. Thank you. Let us reconvene in the physical world.
By the ancients, you have it! You have Gahanir!
Can I just finish this with no interruptions?
We will protect the wilds.
Delving into the dream with such darkness and roaching is no simple task. One few druids dare attempt, but I'm afraid your journey is far from over. Let's have a look at this. Corrupted Ganea of the Mother Tree. The power of the artifact has been diminished by the corruption deep within. It looks cool though. You found Lisa in the dream, didn't you, Shando? I heard you mutter her name in the slumber. Thank Kalunchi as well. You must seek her out. I can sense her presence even now at the circle of spirits above. If there ever were one who could help us cleanse Ganir, it is Lisa.
May your dream Ganir grows more corrupt with each passing moment. May your feet carry you swiftly.
Ugh. FPS is dropping. Come on, we gotta save Ganir. Let's increase my item level to 700. Oh god.
Gahania will not last much longer. It must be cleansed.
Gahania.
All life is precious.
I don't know how
We
much.
must aid Bashar in cleansing the remaining nightmare. Gahania's fate rests with Lyessa and this hero.
Bashana. I don't know how much longer I would have lasted had you not arrived. Thank
The
you.
Mother Tree's gifts are everywhere.
Oh, we actually get the title. We must save the mother tree at all costs. I believe I know our way. At the world tree Nordrassil, atop Mount Hyjal, was born from an acre of Ganir. We can use the sacred water surrounding the roots to purify its corruption. Now the water surrounding it is the water from the original Well of Eternity, which Illidan placed and then was sentenced for it because they tried to fight a war. So many died to fight a war because of the Well of Eternity. So, yeah. If we take the Dreamway to Mount Hyjal's summit, we should have enough time to complete the cleansing ritual before Ganir falls completely to the darkness.
May Aviana's win. May the ancients bless us all.
That's not the original title though, is it? I think it's Shando.
Hamul Rune Totem led a small party to investigate Legion activity near Nordrassil not long ago. He may be able to aid you.
Once Gahania is pure again, we can help Archdruid Greatelm cleanse any remaining nightmare at the Dream Grove. I only hope we are not too late to save Gahania.
This is it, yeah? Yeah, hi John, huh?
Such devastation.
Oh no, what have they done? What have they done to Moonglade?
Thank the ancients you've come.
They were too much. What happened here?
If we fall, the gates of hell poured forth upon us.
Can I heal you?
They were
I can't.
everywhere. Tend to the others first. Their wounds are more dire than my own.
Skylord,
Okay.
you must inform the Dream Grove. We will ensure no further life is lost this day.
Archdruid will return him and his allies
You must save
would
our
require
injured.
your aid.
I will prepare the cleansing ritual.
I won't be forsaking God's blessing. Bless ya. I could feel my soul returning to the lower. Oh,
Thank
my
you.
head. I feel dizzy.
Barely survived their last attack.
This may take a while. Oh, well, that was quick.
The
But it does drain
Legion
your
has
mana.
not
The well was
forgotten
nearly
their
lost
defeat
during the
here.
assault. But so long as a single drop remains,
I am ready
there
to
is
begin
hope.
the ritual.
Alright, speaking of Lisa to begin the cleansing ritual.
How may
Do
I
I have to
help?
heal? Are you ready to begin the ritual? I am ready.
In Gahania's name, I will prepare the well's waters for the cleansing. You must protect me until the ritual is complete, or Gahanir will be lost.
Check Lisa once she
Something ain't
completes your...
The spirits be
ritual.
crying out.
Oh no.
The gateway is activating.
Wait, is that... Destromath?
Tremble before me.
Yeah.
I bring darkness to this world.
So I think he's the only pet lord that we
If you
didn't
keep
see.
us alive,
who
we
we
will buy
did
you the time you need.
at the broken shore. Oh my god.
In Manaroth's name!
In Manaroth's name.
Tremble!
Now I am not a pro healer, so please forgive me.
Feast on their flesh!
I can feel the well growing in strength.
Oh my
We must
God.
push forward.
Lambs to the slaughter! The demon's assault is relentless! I require aid!
Yes, hold on.
Tremble!
Oh, okay.
The power grows with every moment. This day will be ours.
All shall burn! Tremble! Lambs to the slaughter!
The ritual is nearly complete. Do not give up hope.
This is easy.
Tremble!
How long do I have? Oh no.
All shall burn! Your life slips away.
Yes, I'm gonna try to keep myself alive.
Tremble! The demon's assault is relentless. I require aid.
I'm gonna run out of mana soon.
Lambs to the slaughter. Your life slips away. All
Yes.
shall burn.
Cleanse the star, my children. Oh, keep the beast at bay.
Quickly, hero. Our work is nearly complete. You must give me the staff. The Mother Tree's gifts are everywhere. Spirits of the forest, guardians of nature, hear our plea.
Whoa.
On this day, the Mother Tree is reborn. Gahanir is whole once more!
Wield Gahanir, the Mother Tree, whatever. There we are.
Use Gahanir to call upon the spirits of the forest to destroy this fiend!
Call upon the soul of the forest. How do I do that? Oh, there we go.
I will destroy you!
Archimond 101.
Your world will burn!
Yeah.
It is done. Let us all return to the Dream Grove and tell the others of our triumph.
I love this. At the beginning, there was a source of healing and balance, a place where all life could rest and
must
revive.
stay behind for a time to aid Sky Lord Omniron's forces.
Wait, what does this do? Release the natural power within Ganea to increase the frequency that...
Without you, we would have surely fallen.
Release the natural power within Ganea to increase the frequency that all of you heal over time. Effects heal allies by 100% for 8 seconds. Oh, that was easy. Compared to, actually no, this is probably the first healing questline I've done. But, whatever. Oh.
Were it not for this hero's actions, we would have all perished atop Mount Hyjal.
Can you move?
Both Gehanir and Nordrassil would have been destroyed by the Legion. How may I help?
We all owe you a great deal for your heroes and my Questline. I owe you a great deal. I suspect this war is far from over. My Questline,
For centuries I have watched over Gehanir. Today it nearly fell to the corruption I swore to fight. It is time for another to take my place.
What
Therefore,
do you ask of
I
nature?
hereby pass along my station to this hero. A true protector of life. A true guardian of the dream. Thank you again, Shando.
Shut up.
I will remain here, in the Dream Grove, if you ever have need of my guidance.
Your weapon is ancient and powerful, but it holds potential to be so much more. Take this seed, it is all the remains of a forest that grew grew tall when this world was young. Plant it in the grove to the west and allow it to take root. With its power, both it and your weapon alone will be far more... and your weapon will be far more than they are alone.
The seed will need plenty of air and water. Look for an ideal spot on the hill behind us.
Okay. Oh, this looks like an excellent place.
Good. This seed holds magic from when the world was young. This will prove very useful. Do you need my aid?
Excellent, there's no time to waste. These weapons were crafted with ancient magic. The true power of your artifact lies in its ability to grow in strength. The more you use it, the stronger it will become. Now that you have tuned your weapon to the Seed of Ages, you can use its magic to unlock additional attributes in your weapon. Use it now and unlock your weapon's potential.
May the magic of your weapon runs deep. Its power will grow with you.
Oh, ho, ho, I like that. Increase the healing of rejuvenation. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Now, let's see what looks the best. Oh. Oh. Hoo hoo. Does kind of look nightmarish. This is a tough one. I think I like this one. Probably won't be, but I'll go with it.
We are nature's guardians.
Excellent. Your weapon grows in power. As your weapon grows in power, you can return here and unleash its true potential. Now you are more powerful than ever. Truly, you are a druid without equal. I sense that Malfurion has arrived. He will certainly want to know what you know of your accomplishments. But first, please walk with me a moment.
Walk in peace. I admit I had my doubts. I never believed I'd see anyone capable of obtaining the weapon you now hold. It's rare that I'm proven wrong. In this case, I'm pleased that I was. You are already more powerful than many senior members of our order. Still, I sense that even more growth is yet to come. In time, your powers will reach heights undreamed of. Shando Malfurion awaits. Go. Be recognized for your accomplishments.
Oh, are these all the druids?
I must protect the wild.
It is good to see you, Wakanda. I just heard about your deeds from Remulus. Well done. It is time that you are recognized for your deeds and your service in service to the Cenarian Circle. I am ready.
Nature stands with your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Time and again, you have proven yourself to be one of our finest. The strength, ferocity, and nobility you have shown are without peer. It is time you were honored accordingly. It is my honor to welcome you as an Archdruid of the Cenarian Circle. Oh. May all the creatures of the wilds celebrate your ascension.
I thought we'd get the Shundo title.
Greetings, friend.
Congratulations, Archdruid. Oh no! No, come back. Ah. Congratulations, Druid. We'll be counting on you in the days ahead. It is time that we turn our attention to the matters on the Broken Isles. Skylord Omniron has gathered information on events from all over the Isles. If we are presented with any opportunity to strike against the Legion, he will know of it. Go and see if he has anything available.
Guide your path. I place you in charge of the Grove's efforts here. I must travel to the south and seek out Cenarius. Only with his aid will we stop the Legion.
Yeah.
Elune, guide your path.
Let me know how that turns out.
My eyes are sharp.
Because we already know what happens to Cenarius. Greetings, Druid. The threats we face are numerous. We must act quickly. The Mighty Legion threatens the life of Azeroth, but the nightmare threatens its very soul. We must remove both threats if our world is to survive. This map will allow us to track the developments all across the Broken Isles and respond to threats as they arise. Our forces are limited for now. We should focus our efforts where they will be most effective. Once you've taken a look, you should choose when we shall begin.
We must soar above calamity.
A god of all should I?
The skies call out for aid.
Yes, I agree. That is a good place to focus our initial efforts. As new threats arise, I'll bring them to your attention. Alone guide your path.
There is always hope.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the restoration questline to get Ganea, the Mother Tree. Thank you guys for watching, and